So cute. Max, turn around. You know, you ought to put that thing over there, then you can watch him play with it. Put it over here. You'll have to do it with facing you.
Over where?
Well, you can put it over here and then get down there. So you have to do it so he can face you. Max! Oh no, he jumped off the chance. Oh no. Get a chance to tell. Don't let him do that. Max, look! Max!
Max, come on!
Look, Max! Look! So you get over there.